Today I'll share with you how to make easy fermented vegetables that could become your in-house speciality. Fermenting is becoming a huge trend thanks to the unique flavour and health benefits of fermented foods, as well as the uptick in Asian cuisine. We are seeing the likes of miso paste, sauerkraut, kimchi and gochujang also hitting the mainstream, and these gut-friendly foods can also offer a great hit of flavour. Fermenting your own delicacies in-house is also very easy and can add variety and positive health associations and signature flavours to your menu. I'm going to share 3 fermented vegetable ideas that are easy to make in-house. For the kimchi, add chopped wombok, dried chilies, garlic and Knorr Thai sweet chili jam. Ferment in the fridge overnight or for up to 2 weeks. For the sauerkraut, add chopped Savoy cabbage, sea salt, caraway seeds and Knorr Intense Flavours roast umami. Ferment at room temperature for at least 5 days. For the pickles, add cucumbers, vinegar, mustard seeds, dill and Knorr Intense Flavours deep smoke. Pickle in the fridge for at least 5 days, shaking the jar daily. So there you go, 3 fermented vegetable recipe ideas for you to make in-house and add your signature to the menu.